Hi, welcome to Car 360. This is a 2022 Hyundai KONA Premium, registration CK22OBJ, with just 51,000 miles and ready to drive away. It's had one owner and comes with a clear history. Powered by a 68 kilowatt hour battery, it offers up to 300 miles of range and goes from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 7.9 seconds. Ultra rapid charge takes it from 10 to 80% in around 47 minutes. Enjoy the Krell Premium audio system with 8 speakers and a subwoofer, a heated steering wheel, blind spot collision avoidance assist, and a smart key system with keyless entry and engine start-stop. If you're interested in this car, reserve it online or contact one of our EV specialists today. Thank you.